Just a reminder to those of you who did not write the balancing of chemical equation properly. Just to remind you, okay, if CH4 plus oxygen, and you know that organic molecule react with oxygen, always produce carbon dioxide plus H2O. Okay, now what I remind you of was the first thing is you need to identify the products and the reactants. Okay, so you draw a line. Okay, the reactants, this is the left side, and the product side on the right side. Now there are two paths here. One is the left side, that's the reactants, radio note, and then on your right, that's the product. Whatever produces are called the products. Now what I told you was, before you put any number in front here, you add any coefficients, you need to write down what you know, what you actually see here. So look at the carbon. You write down carbon. Carbon is 1, hydrogen 4, and oxygen 2. On your right, carbon 1 and hydrogen 2, and then oxygen is 2. Add another one, oxygen gives you 3. Okay, so you look at the left side, carbon 1, on the right carbon 1, hydrogen 4, hydrogen 2, oxygen 2, oxygen 3. Now look at hydrogen. Hydrogen here is 4 and hydrogen there is 2. There is a common denominator there, or a common number, because 2 can go into 4. Okay, so there is a common factor there. So what you need to do is, what number, okay, what number are you going to add over here to make this side 4? Okay, because if you multiply 2 times by 2, it will give you 4 hydrogen. So same as 4 hydrogen here. Okay, so you need to add. Okay, this is a very important part. I don't really want to see this kind of numbers in your writing without putting any number up here. Okay, so you need to add 2 over here. 2. Now 2 multiplied by 2 hydrogen gives you 4. So you cross out this number 2, you write down 4. Okay, now this number 2 is a coefficient. It also affects the oxygen. So 2 multiplied by 1 oxygen gives you 2, plus 2 over here gives you 4 oxygen. Okay, now since we have 4 oxygen here and we have 2 oxygen, you need to add another number here. Okay, because 2 times by 2 gives 4. Okay, so you add 2 over there. So now the oxygen will be 2 times by 2 gives you 4 oxygen. Okay, that's what I want you to do. Okay, so we have 1 carbon, 1 carbon, 4 hydrogen, 4 hydrogen, 4 oxygen, 4 oxygen. Now it's balanced. Why it's balanced? Because you add 2 over here and add 2 over there. That's what I want you to do. And then since everything is balanced, 1 multiplied by these things is the same. So add 1, and so forth. Okay, so now you have 1, 2, 1, 2. This is the kind of work that I want you to do. Don't just give me all these numbers without any numbers up there. Okay, if you do that, your answer will be all x. Okay, make sure you put the coefficients up there. That is very important. Thank you.